Hey, it's Clay Trader at claytrader.com. Thought I'd catch a video here. Haven't done one this week. And first trade down $59. So taking a look here at ACAD, and I want to get a short position here. So I think I'm going to go ahead and get short there at 36.09. I think this one can at least roll over a little bit. So I want to try to capture some of the move here on any sort of move to the downside. So quickly lock in some profits there. Let's see if I can get some more down in that area. So I'm going to let these final 200 work for me here. Got a stop loss, or I will be putting a mental stop loss up here above the 46 area. But if this thing can roll over to the downside here for me, that would be a very ideal situation. So let's see how this plays out. But it's kind of difficult because at times I'm seeing quite a bit of other stuff running. So I'm just going to actually get out of the position. There we go. So all out there for a $48 win, and you can sell very quick there. But it very well may roll over. Like I said, I got to quit talking. There's my scanners, got all sorts of other stuff. So let's go find another play. Okay, looking to buy some Lumber Liquidators LL here on the pullback if it can get down to the 33.70. Just my initial buy point. Opened up the day with some strength and the gap up, so I want to see if it can pull back there and get me. So I'm going to leave that fishing order out there, and I'm going to continue to look around. Okay, got that entry there at 33.70, and pulled some off the table there. Just the initial one. Try for some more at. I noticed a big order up there at 33 or 83 right there, so I'm trying to cut in front of line there. Like I said, already did. And I have no problem, buying some more. I wouldn't mind. Looks like they moved their order up. So I still have 200 left, but let's see. Got to get ready. Got to get down there to buy some more if it's gonna allow me to. So I'll look to pick up some more at 33.30. So I got those. What's that? 10. Buy some more at 09 if I can. Set some fishing orders up here in case it heads back up. So like I said, just accumulating this pullback here within an overall bullish type situation. Got some off at that 49 mark. Got those ones off. Try for some more up there at 56. And got all those ones out. So, oh, look at that. Worked out for $48 again. So I wish I could say that was planned, but it did. Or it wasn't. I'm not always trying to go for 48, but let's see what else I can find. I'm going to put another buying order out there, just a fishing order. So I'm going to look around, and like the last time, no promises that I actually catch the fill on video, but I do want to look around, and we'll if we can get another move here. Nope, like I said, there's just too much stuff out there moving right now, so I want to keep on checking these other things out. So I will keep you updated. I apologize, that was just a super quick trade, just a shorted 300 at 34.34 and then covered those 300 for a quick 9-cent gain there. So again, apologize for that, but we'll see if I can get some more shorts in here. As this bounce is nice, but within the kind of grand scheme of things of the chart, I think it's getting a little bit overextended. So I'll throw out a fishing order there, 34.49. See if it can get up there and fill me. Keep you updated. Got to be honest, I wish I could say that I've been kind of busy with other things, but I have not. I've been searching, putting out some fishing orders, as you see one down there. But I can't. I'm kind of, things started off so quick, so kind of just bam, bam, bam. I've hit a little soft spot. It's still, and I started off the day down. I'm up now 64. It was still obviously plenty of time. Another good hour left in the kind of the prime time of trading. But just to kind of communicate right now, as traders, sometimes you're just gonna, a day will start off a certain way, and then all of a sudden you're sitting on the exact opposite side of the coin, where now it's kind of slow. And I'm not going to say I'm wanting to force anything, but you know, I can hear that emotion starting to creep in. You know, why don't you just start forcing stuff? And then especially when I'm doing the video, you're making a video. You need to find some trades, but you know, I've learned to ignore the voice. I know what the voice is trying to do. You know, trying to force me into a dumb situation. So I am, you know, avoiding that. But you know, just a quick little update there. So I'm going to keep searching. But yeah, kind of hit a little slow spot. Just traded CYBR for a $3 gain, a classic example of when you don't get a good initial entry point, you just start to lose comfort with the trade. And it was only 100 shares, so it's not like you know, anything was on the line, but one of those things where I didn't get the best initial entry point, and you know, so I just decided, you know what, got to scale or just hop out and try again. So that's where I am at there. So kind of missed the lesson, but it's one of those things where admit to yourself, if you don't get a good first entry point, then just, you know, get out, small loss, break even, or in this case, probably a small little gain after the commissions. But you know, there's no shame in admitting, hey, you know what, I didn't get a great entry point. So keep that in mind. Got to order in a short at 44.79. I'll keep you posted on that. All right, I'm in LL here on the long side, just 300 at 34.69. And going to try to scale out some at 34.75, or if I can build a bigger position, that would be fantastic. So let's see what happens here. Again, trying to scale out for some at 34.75, or build a bigger position. And I'm scared. Oh, well, that's what happens when you don't change the order size. Oh, this hurts now. Well, what I had done was I wanted my 300 shares. However, I forgot to change this number back to the number. Well, it is 100 now because that's what I was going to buy, but I had it at 300, and then when I put my sell order, I forgot to change it down to 100, and then I put my scale out order completely there. Oh, that's painful. Well, that's what we call a trader moron here, and in this case, I am the case study here of the moron. Well, that was pretty costly. Oh well, let's keep on moving. Nothing like a little realistic realism here. 59. So actually, don't want to get too frustrated at myself. Got to keep my head in the game here. See if I can pick up some right here at 46. Just 100 though. So let's see what happens. And out there for a quick $15. I would have liked to build more of a position, but one of those things where if I can get 15 cents in that short of amount of time, then I need to take it. So let's see if it goes back up. How long is... Okay, still only at 8 minutes. I'd like to try to capture one more trade here. But wow, that hurts. So again, I guess lesson there. When you put in when you get the shares you want, if you want to scale out in pieces, make sure to change your scale out size. And I know that sounds obvious, but it'll get you. I hear about it all the time. I do it quite a bit. Just one of those things where, you know, operator error, and it can sting like it is right now. But yeah, I'm going to stay focused on this one, see if I can find another entry point. I'll keep you updated. Okay, I have an average right now of 36.07, and building a position here now into the upwards move. So I'm liking this action here. And I will keep you updated. The video is running long, so I'll keep you updated on the trade. Okay, looking to get filled here at 36. And there's that fill. Now I'll see if I can get filled at 35.90, but probably being a little bit too aggressive on that one. So I'm just going to get out at 36.01 if I can, if it pulls back there. No doubt about it, this move's relatively strong. Picked up some more at... some more up there at 36.45 if I can. That'd be nice. So I got those. Try to cover some at 36.20. This move just becomes more and more overextended. I do have a cap though. I mean, I can't just do this forever. That was a nice move. So I'll keep you updated on it. All right, all out of the position. I actually did reach my cap. I got up to 1,000 shares, and then had the stop loss because the candle started to form here. So I thought, you know what? I'm either going to get stopped out, or I'm just going to get out of the position. So I'm not sure exactly what I made on it, but now I'm up 209 on it, and we'll be looking to start all over again. So let's see if I can capture some more. I'll let this video go a little bit longer. Got an order at 37.49. And how high did it go? How is that possible? It says it hit 37.50, but I didn't get any shares. So riddle me that. I will keep you updated. Well, I had another operator error. I forgot that I had those other shorting orders up there, which I still do somewhere. So let's go find out. See, this is what you got to be careful of. Good little example there. So I'm looking to buy at, whoa, I better cancel these. Oh, 36.01, so I'm way off from that. So these were my original orders. So you got to always remember to go back and clear those out. A hotkey is Control-0 for me, but which cancels everything. But I wanted to show those how they can just be hanging around out there. And if you forget about them, sometimes it can be very good. Other times it's not so good. So I think I'm going to wrap things up here. So like you saw, started off, what time is it right now? So 11 o'clock, still within that first 90 minutes of the day. Started off down $59 and then was actually pretty distracted during the second half of the day, which I consider from 10 to 10:30. And then LL finally got unhalted, and that's what I've been trading it since then because it was halted for quite a while. But from 10 to 10:30, like I said, second half of the day, really didn't focus at all on the market. Was talking in the chat room and that sort of stuff. So sorry about that. MYL just started to run, but kind of missed out on the opportunity to take advantage of the move. But I'm going to keep an eye on that anyways. So closing up right now, $224. Started off with that $59 loss, but that's why you got to keep your losers small, because all it takes is one ticker out there where you can nickel and dime it and kind of use it as your personal cash cow. And for me, that was LL today. And that also included that stupid, had I not done that scaling out error that you saw with those 300 shares, it would be that much better of a morning. So that's kind of one of those things where, had I not screwed that up, I'm sure that I'm not sure. I know that 224 number would be bigger. But anyways, if you're interested in learning how to trade like this with charts, level 2s, candlesticks, not necessarily looking to sell within a few seconds or a few minutes like I am. That's a great thing about charts, is whether you're looking to sell within a few seconds, a few hours, a few days, even a few weeks, they can work. They work with all different time frames. They're just a measure of market psychology, and it's one of those things where once you learn how to read them, they can become a very good tool, especially in the risk management department. So I'd encourage you to go to claytrader.com. I offer multiple training courses on that. Also have a live trading room where you can hang out with me and other traders during the day in the chat rooms. That's very fairly priced. And then if you kind of want everything, all the courses, or lifetime membership to the chat room and newsletter subscription, I do offer that in Clay Trader University, so I'd encourage you to check that out. And please go and compare prices. I'm offer very fair prices for especially all the content you get. I think Clay Trader University now is up over 100 hours of content, and it's for quite a fair price. So check that out. Again, any questions, comments, leave those below. Click the like button if you enjoyed these, and if you start off in the hole, don't panic. Don't get down on yourself. Just stick with your plan, stick with your systems, and you can come out still looking pretty good. So thanks for watching. Have a good one. Remember, get out there and trade without emotion.